Now, very first, before I show you how you can customize your design, your custom page with our CSS editor, I want to show you how you can change your theme color. When you click on choose color button right here, then you can customize your color right there. And I'm just going to put this color so that it can match the Blender theme color, this one. So I copy pasted this color from inspect element, and I am just going to copy it there. I've just copied it there, and when I click save, that theme color right there will be saved. There it is, it has been saved. And so I want us to go and preview a page. Let's use this one, vertical tabs. So when I save that, then preview that page. Now you realize that our colors now are matching with the theme color. This color is matching with the theme color for OS class. Now next, I want to show you how you can customize our design options with CSS. So here I want to put this this menu right here on the sidebar next to this content. So the very first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to use my inspect element and see the kind of element we're dealing with here. So as you can see, it's a row. Row is the parent element here. Then we have col MD9 and col MD3. So I'm just going to copy this one. And put it there. And say width is equals to 70, let's say 70%. Then save that. Now you can see that width has changed. Now let's go ahead and change the width for the list elements also. So just take the parent element, which is called MD3. Called MD3. Just going to give it 29%. Then save it. Now it is 29%, as you can see. Now the next thing I would like to float them next to each other. Now they are floating next to each other, but now the problem is that when I scroll to the top, it disappears. This nav menu disappears. It is not supposed to disappear. When I click on one of these items here, it is supposed to remain fixed. So I'm just going ahead and I'll make it fixed. First of all, I have to take the parent element, this one, and make sure that it remains fixed. So row was the parent element here. I give it a position of relative, and then I'll come here and probably say height equals to 100%, that way. So before I save anything there, I'd also like to give this one a position of relative. Let's get rid of this one and use this one, position relative. So if I come and take this div element here, inspect element, and then find it. It is located within column B3, and here it is. So I want to give it a fixed property. So when I go there and do that, I'll say position fixed. Then I give it a left property of 0, right property of 0 pixels, then bottom property of 0 pixels. I hope this one will style it the way I want it to be. So when I reload this page, oh wait, this is not how I want it to appear. So just a minute. Let us give this one a position fixed 2, and this one will give it a relative position. And left 0 pixels, not left, right. pixels. Now you can see it is taking us somewhere. Now guys, you can go ahead and play around with it and see what it brings about. Now you can see that it is scrolling to different parts of this session. Let me just go and add content within this page and see how it behaves. So I want to add some content there. I want to add some content there. Then I'm going to save that page. Now when I reload this, I can go to first page, second one, third one, and lastly the fourth one. Now this way you can organize content on your OS class website for your users, and I'm sure your users will like this one. So I just want us to go ahead and customize another design option, and I'll take let's say FAQs. Let's use these one, FAQs. Now as you can see, the question is kind of floating towards the out of margin. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to try and take it back to the line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove that margin, this margin right here. I'm going to remove it with CSS. I take that, I take this class, and I take that class, then I go to my CSS editor right here, I copy it there, then say padding left 0 pixels, and then I add important on it. I hope that one will work. Now as you can see, we've styled it, and now it's kind of organized. So I want to remove, I want to reduce this size right here and give it a little bit of padding at the top. So I'm going to remove that margin at the bottom, this one. I'm going to remove it and let's say give it a margin of 0. say margin bottom 0 pixels. Padding bottom 0 pixels. Nothing is happening, so probably I need to check where that now. What I can do here, I can just go ahead and increase the boundary between these two, this section here and this title. So what I can do, I can just go ahead and add margin top, let's say 20 pixels. So when I reload that page, nothing has happened. I was dealing with the wrong div. So when I do that, then add margin top 20 pixels and save. Now you can see the margin is widening, so you can just go ahead and widen this margin and it will create some differentiation there. It will make some difference. And also just go ahead and do something like margin bottom 0 pixels. Let's say important to force it to use this rule. Now when I reload that page, now you can see some difference. There you have it, guys. There are so many things you can do with this CSS editor right here. You can change a lot of things. So once you have this tool here, you can do anything to your pages. You can make it blend with your theme in any how you want. You can put your CSS codes there and it will work with any theme that you've installed. You can change everything. You can style this the way you want and it will work well. Now in the next screencast, I will show you how you can switch themes while this plugin is installed, and your settings will still remain intact. Thank you for watching.